guys, this is Star Killer 8881 with Animal Chat. Okay, so Mr. Puppy, how would you like to hit Little Puppy?
Well, let's see. I would like to hit Little Puppy more than I would like to skateboard at the skate park. Little Puppy, what do you have to say?
Screw you, big puppy. I'm gonna get you someday. Piggy, what do you have to say about these two? I'm sorry, what does mean?
I don't want them fighting.
Bear, what do you have to say to them? You two are Chinese people, you need to talk to each other face to face, face to face, face to face. Okay, you were stupid. Now, whoever this is, what would you like to say? I mean, Monkey, what would you like to say to them, about them? You two are fat.